Ticker symbol is XL, which is for XL fleet. We're talking about electric trucks. After a dip from its highs, we're looking at a great potential entrance for XL. On February 4th, they had um, come to an agreement with Curb Tender team in order to develop an electric waste management truck for the garbage company. And if they can secure that, this is going to create a huge moat for their business practices. So it has great potential to have a run and continue growing. Right here, we have a buy signal in a harami, and the candles follow through with higher candles and higher prices. You have it going over the yellow line, over the blue line. The yellow has crossed over into the blue, creating a modified golden cross. You have volume here that is above average. The red line, which is all the way here, um, has turned to green and it's above the blue line as well. So altogether, you got a buy signal with 8 confirmations. Looking at the Fibonacci extension, we see that today in the afternoon it had closed over the 382 Fibonacci retracement. And so that is very bullish. And I can see this thing flying past its 52-week high. So good luck trading.